How to replace a 2022 Ford Explorer 5-button smart key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Okay, we're going to change the battery out on our 5-button Ford smart remote. Doesn't matter if you've got the trunk, the hatch, tailgate right here. It's all the same principle on these. Just the button configuration will be a little bit different. That's it. So if you're having problems with your doors not opening, locking, remote start, trunk, gate, let's do the quick repair, see if this fixes it before you come see a locksmith to see if you got other issues. First things first, if the keys are attached to it, doesn't matter, leave them on. Remove emergency blade. I like using a flat tip screwdriver for this. It's just me. Notice this is where your emergency blade is. Come to the opposite side, you'll see this indentation. Take your flat tip, put it in there, just twist it and twist. You notice it wants to pop up. I don't pry on it because you can break the little tab that sits in here. I like to take the flat tip and just slide it in right over here on the side. Pops up. That's that little tab I was telling you about. They can cause a problem. Now you notice this battery popped up. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. It's a goofy design with Ford. Dump it out. It's your CR2450. Go ahead and put your new battery in, slide it in, push down, and you notice it doesn't latch on here. You can turn around and even try that. It won't work. I've always found that you put it in, set it down, this back cover pushes everything down in there. Remember that little tab I told you about? Slide it in. We push down. And there you go. You've changed it. Hey, if you would give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Thanks again for watching.